I thought I knew what I wanted to learn, and actually what I learnt just blew the lid off everything I thought I knew.
When we first started, they said you'd never be the same, and they were right.
This program creates a new opportunity for life options, not just a job, but your whānau, your hapu, your hapori, your communities, where your life options are able to reach their potential. It's about being brave, to break beyond the barrier. Back in the day, we had no mirrors, and the only thing we had to be able to see ourselves was the water. And it's little wonder that water plays a big feature in how the world is perceived and how integral water is to our well-being.
Every facet of Indigenous life is helped by understanding, firstly, our history, secondly, what we can do about making changes and that positivity for going forward.
Collaborating of the heart and the mind to create, a better future, to enable our whānaus to thrive. It's actually about looking to the past to find the solutions that we face today.
The ability to penetrate the mind, the ability to be able to find the right keying in processes, which quite often is bedded down in whakapapa, quite often bedded down in the uniqueness of being Indigenous peoples right around the world.
It actually tells us to look deeper within ourselves and how we understand the world really, and looking at it from a Te Ao Māori worldview.
What we learnt here was to find the gaps, come up with the solutions, and then mahi a te mahi, just to do the work.
The thing about Awanuiarangi is that the environment is a critical advantage for Indigenous students. That environment it makes it a safe, easy place to learn.
This degree is about creating the space, the safe space to undertake difficult conversations. We're not constrained. It reaches to every point of Aotearoa, whether it be by face-to-face, Zoom, tutorials. Your learning space, your ātea, is your home or wherever you want it to be.
I highly recommend it. You use it every day.
All of our people would benefit from this time and this space and this positive environment to learn what we're actually learning more about ourselves, the things that we should have been taught at school and haven't been taught at school.
It's been the best degree that I've done so far, and I think it will be one of the best that I will ever do.